Hello everyone. So today I will teach you how to make a KML for National Highway. So it's very easy. First thing you need to do is you need to search for your highway number. For example, we search NH44. So I will search NH44 and Google Earth will immediately take me to NH44. Now next part is you need to decide from where the KML will start. Okay. So you need to just go on to the start location. Whatever is your package, just go on to that start location. Let's consider we will start from here itself, from NH7 junction. Okay, and this 262 is like the state highway. So we'll just click on this point, and this is the point. Just click on place mark, then drag this place mark to the start location and name this start place mark as start and click on OK. Okay. Next thing is click on this third line, that is third option for the path. Just click on this, a new option will open up. You just need to guide from where to where your highway is going. Okay. Now since I have colored as yellow, I can change the color to red. Okay, now it will be better visible. You can see it's properly visible. Now just keep on clicking wherever is your highway, start point till the end point. Okay, now let's consider this is finishing at this location itself. Now I'll give the name as NH44. Okay, and I'll click on OK. Then towards the end of this, I need to mark another place mark, that is this one, and drag it to the last location. Then I will click on end. Okay. Now you can see three things on the left has opened up: start, NH44, and end. Now what you need to do is right click, just need to select all three, or you can do one by one also. Right click on it, click on save place as, then go to desktop or wherever you want to save, name of the file, and select the option either KML or KMZ. So click on KML. Okay. The moment you search and click on KML, this option will come up and click on save. That's it. It's very easy to make the KML on Google Earth. In just 5 minutes, you can make the KML. Thank you.